Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. We are from group 3S MA. We'll discuss about development and usability of gamification kit in local wisdom with 4 skills to improve student understanding of compound noun. Why we choose this topic is because it is related to SDG number 4, quality education.
This study aims to design, develop, and evaluate the usability of gamification kit with local wisdom and 21st century skills to improve students' understanding in compound nouns. Total of 259 students were selected as respondents in a need analysis phase, 20 experts in design and development phase, and 2 experts and 15 students in the usability phase. DDR approach used in this study by using quantitative methods supported by questionnaire data and Delphi questionnaire. For qualitative method, the data were analyzed based on semi-structured interview. Response of the study need analysis questionnaire using a 5-point Likert scale. Descriptive analysis of frequency, percentage, mean and standard deviation were used to report the findings of the study. To obtain expert consensus on design features, key components, key activities, and themes, the fuzzy Delphi method was constructed by using 7 Likert scales. To evaluate the usability of gamification. Kits retrospectively, the use, usefulness, satisfaction, and ease of use approach was used. The gamification kit has high potential to be as a reference to MOE in empowering approaches and teaching materials of specific grammar elements for compound nouns that are specifically in local wisdom and 4C skills.
The 4th element in the Sustainable Development Goal is a quality education capable to produce intellectual and well-educated Malaysian citizens. They are capable to face the globalization era. Malaysia ranked with 22 from 63 countries with a quality level of education based on World Talent Ranking data in 2018. Despite sufficient of resources, access, and technology application in education, there is still lack of student achievement, motivation, and involvement. So, application in SDG's 4th pillar is gamification. Gamification approach has a potential to enhance student performance, build national character based on local wisdom, and boost up 21st century skills. In curriculum standard of Malay language, skill in grammar related to vocabulary mastering. According to Abdul Samad 2018, students can learn language easily. Pedagogical practice more effective in grammar learning, according to MUHAMAD 2018, while Bayong 2019, increasing communication and writing skill. So, our group has discussed about the issues in education, especially in learning language. So, the main issues is students in primary school had a little understanding about compound noun. For students, the achievement and the usage of Malay language in crucial level, according to Sivaratanam 2019, and he also said lack of application to the element of simplification and no exposure to the basic concept of compound noun. Students didn't conquer and master some vocabularies and new words, according to Jazili. Improper usage of compound noun and based on semantic and syntax aspect, according to Zakaria, Muhammad and SHAHRIL 2020. And confusion on compound noun, term, and concept, according to Kihop, Jeffrey N. and Nonis 2000. 2021. Teachers have unclear skill and usually use one-way communication. The objective of this study is, the first is we have to analyze the need of gamification kit. Second is we have to design and develop the gamification kits. And lastly, we have to evaluate the usability of the gamification kit. So we divide our research into 3 phases of methodology. The first phase is the need analysis. We develop a questionnaire and we run a pilot test to the expert and to the student. In phase 2, we use Delphi's questionnaire to the 20 experts by using fuzzy value. And the last phase is to test the usability. We use semi-structured interview to the 2 experts and 15 students, and we will transcribe the thematic analysis. We determine that gamification is a global issue or global studies. Gamification move along and align together with globalization as an attraction, involvement, and student achievement on academic, according to Fudu 2017 and Belmont 2020. In Malaysia, gamification give effect on student improvement in language learning.
Global issue improving national character with a living community guideline in the rapid development of communication and information technology in the industrial era 4.0. Sumershiz et al. 2020. The research gaps the lack of implementation of gamification approach even though there are some elements applied in education in Malaysia. Fariza 2017.
The literature review on 21st century skill about global studies currently in Malaysia and 4 skills in learning